The sodium potassium transporter, or the sodium potassium pump, is a very special structure. This guy takes up, first off, roughly 40% of the brain's energy. So this uses a tremendous amount of energy. Let's look at what it's doing. It pumps out of the cell three sodium ions while pumping into the cell 2 potassium ions. Why is this important? Because in the previous video we talked about how sodium leaks more than potassium. Leaks in more than potassium leaks out. So this caused an imbalance. And I talked about how that would cause an action potential and then collapse of your nervous system. Thankfully, you're not dead. Why? Because we have the sodium potassium transporter. So sodiums, sneaky little sodiums, are leaking in, right? They're leaking in. And potassiums are leaking out. The pump says, use sodium that you just leaked in. Get the heck out of here. And you potassium that just leaked out, you get the heck back inside. So leakage is reversed by the sodium potassium transporter. This is why we're alive. This is what maintains our resting membrane potential nice and steady. So the sodium potassium transporter counteracts leakage. And this 3:2 ratio is critical because this compensates for this issue. It's true, yeah, more sodium is going to leak in than potassium leaks out. But it's okay because the transporter, the sodium potassium pump, will pump out more sodiums than it will pump in potassiums, rebalancing the situation. So we're very happy, very grateful that we have a sodium potassium transporter. These guys are lined up and down all of our axons and are always on. This is a very active transport. Why does it take so much energy? Because to go in this direction, to take sodiums out of the cell, you're fighting diffusion and you're fighting EP. Now for potassium, the electrostatic pressure is happy. It's like, yeah, you go in. But remember, the real powerful one is diffusion. And diffusion wants it out. So to bring potassium in, you're still fighting nature. Okay, in the next video, we'll talk about ion channels, which are just absolutely critical.